If you have been affected by the terrible sound of the drones from our neighbors, tap with me on key points on the body to restore peace to your nervous system and repeat out loud the words. Even though I hear the relentless buzzing sound of the drones, it is invading every part of me, my mind, my body, my home, my peace. I choose to accept this is how I feel and love myself anyways. This relentless buzzing sound, this constant maddening sound in my ears, it follows me everywhere. Even in my own home, there's no escape. I feel invaded, totally invaded by this buzzing sound. My nervous system is on fire. My cortisol is through the roof. I feel invaded nonstop. My mental space, my energy. This invasion is driving me crazy. I feel the rage rising. The hatred, I want to shoot it down. The injustice of it all. No one is talking about this. No one is holding them accountable. This is psychological terrorism, and my body knows it. The sound is buzzing in my nervous system and in my head. My whole body is screaming with anger. I hate those drones. I want accountability. We all know they're doing this to control us, to observe us, to make us scared, to drive us crazy. I don't want them to win. Not over my mind, not over my body. It breaks my heart that we're all subjected to this terrorism. I feel crazy. I feel followed. I feel like I have no privacy left. Even inside my own home, I'm not safe. This is not okay. It's like a huge mosquito sound that won't go away, swarming over us. That horrible sound is driving me crazy. I don't get a moment of quiet. This tension in my head and body. I choose to release this toxicity from my body. I release the fear, anger, and tension from my body. I reclaim my personal energy and sovereignty. I am in charge of my mind, my body, my spirit. And right here, right now, I am safe in my body. I allow deep inner peace to flow through me. Serenity fills my nervous system. grounding me in this moment. I can look beyond the chaos, beyond the noise, and feel that this too shall pass. I regain my inner peace and inner knowing that this too shall pass, and that right here, right now, I'm okay. And take a breath in and out, and repeat as needed. Love and blessings your way.